all the basics of using your Squarespace website. Okay, so removing the header and footer from just one page on your website is super useful for things like landing pages, sign-up pages, things like that, where you don't want people to be able to navigate away. You want them to stay on the page and do the thing, right? Okay, so you're going to log into your Squarespace website, go to Pages, and then you're going to navigate to whatever page that you want to remove the header and footer from. You're going to click Edit. And then what you want to do is insert a code block. So we're going to say Add Block, and then you can type in code. And then this little block will pop up. So you want to click on the pencil, and then you can see it's got this bit right here of code, but we don't want that. We're actually going to replace this. So you're going to select this code that's here, then you're going to copy and paste this code. And don't worry, I will have this linked in a document for you in the description, so you can just copy and paste that. I can't actually paste this entire code section into the description because YouTube won't like some of these symbols, but I will have that for you. Don't worry. So once you've done that, you're going to click out of it, and then you'll see the code block disappears. So it doesn't matter where on the page you put the code block because it's going to be invisible except when you hover over it. So if you noticed, there's no more header and footer on this page, right? So that is it. You just copy and paste the code, click Save, and now you have removed the header and footer from one single page on your site. So just to make sure we've only done that to one page, we're going to navigate to another page, and look, it's still there. All right? Okay, so go update your website and let me know in the comments what other things you're interested in learning about Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.